Zoom back in on her. She's still cleaning them. See her fur coming off. Yeah. I know they can have anywhere from either 4 or 6 kits all the way up to 12. I think they said in most cases it's like 4 to, or 3 or 4 to 8, but it's not uncommon for them to have up to 12. I have no idea how many she's got in there. I'm sure she's about done now. Probably gonna. I don't know how long she's been there. I just happened to look out the window and seen it. I was like, that's her little squirrel buddy. I don't know where he's at. I don't see him. I noticed like the squirrel, like that video that first day has been checking on him. Like she'll come over and be like, "Where's she at?" And he wouldn't mess with the hoe or anything, so that's good. For the burrow. And she's pretty cool about camouflaging it. Like she'll put sticks over it and everything else. So that's pretty cool. Hope we might be able to see how many she's got if she won't look for her to get off of it burrow, but she might. Hi, Mama Bunny. Yeah, still don't see that dang squirrel. I hear him. I think she'll put them back in, and then she'll cover them up after she's done. I think she's still letting them feed. Hard to tell. Of course, I'm looking through a screen window. Or we'd get a clearer picture, probably, just guessing. And like it rained last night, so it was pretty neat the way I guess they know when it's gonna rain or kind of guess or whatever. But she put like leaves, like there wasn't no water getting in that thing. If there was, it was like very little. Very, very little. And she'll stay long enough to take care of them, and I guess tell them to get back down in the hole. I don't know how they communicate, but once she's got them in that hole, though, they don't really try to come out or nothing, or at least I ain't noticed them trying to come out. And she's covering it up. She's done. And the babies are all put away. And we'll walk around to the other window just to see. And she might just be going out and looking for food or something and gonna come back. Oh, there she is. Of course, it's hard to see. And she hangs there for a little bit. I noticed like she'll enter, I thought she was entering through our front yard, but she actually enters in our backyard and then goes this route. But the other day when I was out in the garage, she entered, come through our backyard, and then when she left, she went back to her backyard. Cool little rabbit. Little bunny. And I'll go back in around here just to see, but them little bitty rabbits usually don't Don't move. Of course, it ain't gonna focus for me. The screen is, though, huh? Oh, it's not gonna focus for me. Sorry about it. I tried. Yep, all the kits are tucked away. So she'll come back tomorrow morning and she'll check on them again. And yep, and she left. So she went back that way. So she's got a couple different routes I guess she takes. Anyway, appreciate y'all watching. There's an update on the bunny.